Today, I'll show you how to enable two-factor authentication in HubSpot. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds an extra layer of security to your HubSpot account, ensuring that your data remains safe by requiring not just a password, but also a second form of verification. Let's dive right in and get you set up with this essential security feature. To begin, you need to access your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see the settings icon, which looks like a little gear. Give that a click. This will open up a new menu where you'll select the general option. From there, head over to security. This is where you'll find all the options related to securing your account, including two-factor authentication. Now, in the two-factor authentication section, you should see an option that says Set up two-factor authentication. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll be able to choose the method of authentication that works best for you. HubSpot offers two main methods for 2FA: using an authenticator app or receiving a code via SMS. Let's explore these options. First, there's the authenticator app, which is the recommended method. This involves using an app like Google Authenticator, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator. These apps generate a time-sensitive code that you'll need to enter after your password. This method is highly secure because the code changes every 30 seconds, making it extremely difficult for anyone else to access your account. If you choose this method, you'll be prompted to scan a QR code with your Authenticator app, which will then start generating codes for you. The second option is to receive a code via SMS. With this method, a verification code is sent to your mobile phone via text message each time you log in. While this is a convenient method, it's worth noting that receiving codes via SMS can sometimes be less secure than using an authenticator app, especially if your phone number is vulnerable to being compromised. However, if you prefer the simplicity of receiving a text message, this option is also available for you. Once you've decided on a method, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. If you're using an authenticator app, ensure that you enter the code from the app correctly to confirm the setup. For SMS, make sure your phone number is entered accurately so you can receive the codes without any issues. And that's it. You've successfully enabled two-factor authentication on your HubSpot account. This added security step will give you peace of mind, knowing that your account is protected by not just a password, but also a second layer of verification. Remember to keep your authentication method accessible and up to date, especially if you change your phone or phone number. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Stay safe and secure, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance with HubSpot.